First, we dream it, then we build it.
Everything started with a question. What are you doing for your community?
We are more than students.
We are more than a robotics team.
We are young people that believe that the good things can be better.
We are a group of great minds.
Because we use engineering to change people's lives.
We are
TigreRobotics, a book that is not written with words,
but it's written by action.
When a kid and his family couldn't afford a prosthetic arm due to its high cost,
And with 1 in every 10 Mexicans having no access to these expensive prostheses,
we developed a 3D printed prosthetic arm.
after more than a year of hard effort,
we are about to donate our first certified prosthesis to Angel.
When we noticed the lack of support for women in STEM, we created Exponential Women.
A project that seeks to inspire women to get involved in science and engineering.
now we have partnered with Girl Up.
And reach over 1,000 high school girls by giving conferences and talks about equality and empowerment.
When our city became one of the most polluted in Latin America,
We identify and plant trees in community spaces to improve the environment.
make autonomous irrigation systems to keep the trees growing.
When we identified communities in need, we made a positive impact.
We visited the Children Anti-Cancer Alliance to become superheroes together.
We give hope to 2 communities by giving clothes, toys, food, and helping to build smart classrooms for students.
We partnered with Rotary International.
With veteran members as founding members of Rotaract Monterrey Cumbres,
When there is little interest in STEM and elevated school dropout rates in Mexico,
we decided to inspire the next generation of Einsteins and Newtons by impacting high school students with talks about FIRST and robot demonstration.
we aim for the creation of 2 FLL, 2 FRC, and 29 FTC teams in the next 3 years, as well as to develop an open online course for anyone interested in STEM, including the hearing impaired.
When we went through a lack of resources for our team, we undertook the initiative of launching a business to ensure our sustainability.
We took a material that is considered trash, Tetra Brick,
To form wood-like plates to use as building material for emergent houses in case of a natural disaster.
When our school didn't have a space for students to work on their own initiatives, our passion, synergy, and perseverance inspired the faculty's officials to invest $40,000 in building a workshop to call our home and a space where any student with an idea can make it true. When there was a need for a stronger FIRST community in our state, together with leaders from several teams and the Youth State Institute, we will start a Chamber of Science, Technology, and Innovation. We will collaborate with anyone who has a project in STEM. Despite we were the only ones who believed in this project, that didn't stop us. We have had our downs, but we certainly have had a lot of ups. We don't think that we have reached 80,000 individuals who changed 80,000 worlds, because we strongly believe that one person is a whole world. So, changing the world is not that hard. You just have to change one life for good.